Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, as you all can see that we have finished the chapter fractions and we have to start the new chapter, that is simplification, from today onwards. So students, if you are facing any problem, any queries in the chapter fraction, you can comment down in the comment section. I will be explaining you those queries. Okay students? So now let's begin without wasting time the new chapter, that is simplification. So students, you all tell me what is simplification according to you. If you know the answers, comment box is open. Start commenting down your answers in the comment section. What is simplification? Simplification means to simplify something, right? For example, we are given a numerical expression. It is consisting a lot of mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. All the four common operations are given in that numerical expression. Then how will you solve that? You have to remember one rule. अगर आप लोगों को याद आ गया हो after listening to me, so please comment down in the comment section about that rule. Please pause the video right now and comment down. Let's see how many of you are going to answer to my question. Okay students, that rule is BOD-MAS rule. BOD-MAS rule. You must have studied in your previous classes also. So BOD-MAS rule, what is the full form of each and every term? So first B, what is the full form of B? If you know the answer, please comment down in the comment section students. B here means bracket. O means off. D means divide. M means multiply. A means add. And S here means subtract. Okay. So as per the BOD-MAS rule, if you are going to get a numerical expression containing all the signs of mathematical operations, that is divide, multiply, add and subtract, अगर उसमें सारी चीज़ें दी होंगी तो सबसे पहले आपको divide करना है, then you have to multiply, then you have to add and then you have to subtract. For example, an algebraic expression is containing only two mathematical operations, that is addition and then subtraction. So first thing which you have to do is, firstly you will add and then you will subtract. Okay, you have to follow this serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now bracket here, it means you are going to get a long numerical expression in which some of the terms are given in the bracket. Like this, I am writing it for you. 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 4 plus within bracket 3 minus 2 plus 6. Right. So as you all can see that I have placed 3 minus 2 plus 6 into the bracket. Now what you have to do, don't see these signs कि यहाँ पे negative है, यहाँ positive है, तो पहले हम लोग divide solve करेंगे. Firstly you have to solve the things given in the bracket. So firstly you will solve this part, 3 minus 2 plus 6. After solving this, you are going to divide, then you are going to multiply and then you are going to add. तो जो चीज़ें bracket में दी हैं, you are going to solve those things first. So I hope you must have understood what is BOD-MAS rule. Now let's take some examples to make you understand about the BOD-MAS rule further and what is simplification all about. Okay students, so let me take some examples, but before explaining you some examples, I want to tell you about the use of brackets. What is the use of different brackets? Okay, so let's begin students. Let me write it for you. Use of brackets. Okay, so students, the brackets are used to separate the various parts of an expression, and in total there are 4 kinds of bracket. So the first one is bar. What is the first one? The first one is bar, or we can also call it vinculum. What we can call bar or vinculum. Bar means a particular expression will be written like this in a numerical expression and a bar will be placed on that. ठीक है, बार लगा होगा. तो अगर आपको इस तरह की सिंप्लीफिकेशन में एक्सप्रेशन मिल जाएं जिन पे बार लगा हो, सो एज पर द बॉडमास रूल यू आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व इट फर्स्ट. पहले आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. Now second type of bracket is round bracket. Okay, now what is this round bracket and what it is all about? Round bracket is also called as small bracket. आप इसे small bracket भी बोलते हैं. And what is the other name for round bracket or the small bracket? Parenthesis. What is the other name? The other name is parenthesis. Okay students, so this is the round bracket simply. Okay, this is a round bracket. Okay, now the next bracket, third type of bracket, let me write it for you. The third type of bracket is curly bracket. What it is? Curly bracket, or we also call it braces. आप इसे curly bracket भी बोल सकते हैं, or either you can call it as braces. So now how do we draw this curly bracket or braces? You are going to draw like this. As you all can see on the board, I have drawn the curly bracket or the braces. Now the next bracket, that is the fourth type of bracket, is square brackets. आप इसे square bracket भी बोल सकते हैं, square brackets or big brackets. How are they drawn? Okay, these are square brackets or big brackets. Now it's your task students. In the comment section you have to draw all the 4 brackets. That means from your keyboard you have to type all the 4 brackets. Don't write the names. Just type all the 4 brackets. Let's see how many comments I'm going to get in today's video. देखते हैं कौन कौन brackets बनाता है. Okay. Now students, let's move on. While simplifying expressions, the terms in the brackets are taken as independent units. यानी कि ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो भी टर्म्स होते हैं that are taken as independent units, and as per the BODMAS rule you are going to solve the things given in the bracket first. Okay? आप पहले उन ब्रैकेट की चीज़ों को पहले सॉल्व करेंगे on prior basis. Now the order of simplifying the brackets is, that is the same order जो मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था. अगर आपको एक एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन में कई ब्रैकेट्स मिले, लेट मी राइट इट फॉर यू. Okay, now in the same algebraic expression, if you are getting too many brackets, how will you solve? So when all the 4 brackets are given in the same algebraic expression, the order of simplifying the brackets is bar first. आप पहले बार को सॉल्व करेंगे at first number. Now the second one will be parenthesis. You will solve this one at second number. Then you will solve the curly braces. At last you are going to solve the square braces. Sometimes you are going to get like this. A term is written in bracket and then in bracket and then in bracket. So many terms are there. Bracket within bracket. तो सबसे पहले आप किसको सॉल्व करेंगे? बार ब्रैकेट, देन राउंड ब्रैकेट, देन कर्ली ब्रैकेट एंड देन स्क्वेयर ब्रैकेट. So this is the use of brackets and this is how we simplify the questions, the numerical expressions. So I hope you must have understood students, and I have already introduced about the BODMAS rule. So there is one more term in the BODMAS rule which you have to add. Okay, in your class it is V BODMAS. It's not only BODMAS, it is V BODMAS. Now what does this V stand for? V stands for vinculum. Now what is this vinculum? Just few minutes ago I have explained about this. What is vinculum? Vinculum means बार. तो आप पहले बार की चीज़ों को सॉल्व करेंगे, राइट? the terms are which are given with the bar. Then you will solve the things given in the brackets. Then of, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay students, so I hope you must have understood how you have to simplify the expressions. Now in tomorrow's video I am going to solve some examples for you, some complicated examples, so that you understand well about simplification. So I hope you must have understood. आज की वीडियो का टारगेट रखते हैं हम 15 likes का. So see how many likes, let's see how many likes I am going to get. Okay students, bye bye, take care.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.